Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about S&P 500. So let's get started here. This is the first chart. When I made this chart was July 2023. It's a weekly chart, S&Px, and it was kind of like a harmonic pattern, right? It's a butterfly pattern. And I said, well, we are here, even though we didn't have any bearish candle, but I said that since the pattern is there, the possibility is there to make the turn. And if we make the turn, we will be going back to this rising TL, right? Drop, and then, below this area. This is the area was in question, 45.50. And I said, if we go up a little bit more, then we're probably going to end up here, 46.34. And then it will drop back to this rising tier. So what happened to this chart is this. In October, we came exactly where I said that it's going to come. And this was the number here, 42.16. And this is the high here. This is the rising TL. We came ABC fashion. We hit that, right? So I said, well, if we count the Elliott wave kind of thing, it's like wave one and then ABC, wave two. This is wave three. This is wave four. So you might be going for wave five to the upside from this area, right? Either this or this 41.96. So I made another chart and it was like this. Exactly from there, 41. Well, it came down a little bit more to this number. You can see here, right? Instead of 41.96, we came down to this low here. And then I made this chart. I said, okay, it's 4100. And again, it's no bullish candle, but I said, well, this is exactly 38% as well. So if this is wave one, then A, B, C correction, wave two, three, four, we need to go here for wave five, above this wave three, and into maybe this area or even higher. Who knows, right? So if I said, if we're going to break this bullish flag, we will go to the upside. Wave count is counting for this high here. This is the target, right? Around this 48 as wave five. So what happened to this chart? Boom. We went up straight up to the bullish flag upper tier, and we hit that. So I made another chart. So, this like not another before chart, but it's like after that. This is what happened. But what I said that it's gonna go up, and it did in November. So after that, what happened? After that, so December, January, all gone. So this flag is gone. Everything. This area is gone. This is gone. 48.16 is gone. Right, my target, and then it's keep going up, up, up. So now in February, now a week ago, 10 days ago, probably, right? On February 10th, I made this chart that, well, if enough is enough. And this is where it's going. This is wave one, ABC 2, 3, 4, 5. If you pull the fib from here to here, before I was pulling the fib from here to here, but this thing is keep going to the upside. So we need another calculation. So I said, okay, this is the extension of 127 is coming exactly there. And if you look at the wave three, it's starting for wave five is starting from here, is also 127 area is coming here, right? So I said this is where we're going on the 10th, February 10th. And then as of today, Saturday, February 24, we are here. So we went up a little bit more. You still have room to go to the upside. Okay, still have room to go to the upside according to these calculations. But there's some other things are cooking as well. Now, going to the upside, obviously, I had long, a lot of trades, right? But few, only this week, Monday to Friday, yesterday, we closed, right? What happened is that the first trade I had it, I took it short. I'm going to show you why I took it short. Because it was like wave count, A, B, C correction, right? So it goes, A goes up, B comes down, C goes. So when it keeps coming down, I knew that it's coming down. So I took a small short. But then this one was short, and then this is the long one on the 21st, and then this is a long on the 23rd. Okay. Now, let me show you that what is now cooking at the end of it. Now, remember this. Let me show you this chart here. This is a harmonic pattern. It's called butterfly pattern, right? It has a specific calculation. So I call it an ending butterfly. Ending butterfly means that butterfly is not ending, but it ends the move, right? whatever, if it's at the end of the bullish move, at the top of the bullish move, you will see a bearish butterfly like this. And at the bottom, you will see a bullish butterfly, just the opposite of this, in the bottom of the bearish move, right? So since we were going up, 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 so I said, well, this is what it's cooking, probably. And I was watching it, and then look what happened exactly. This what? Oh, no, 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 not this one. You see that X, A, B, C, D. That's the bigger picture. I posted here as well on this chart. So this is a butterfly pattern, and the specifics are that B point must be at 78%. The B point must be, it touched 78%. Then C could be anywhere 38 to 23% line. And C point came exactly to 23% line. Then it went up to it. Now the butterfly ends around either 127 extension or 161. If it doesn't make the turn from 127, it will go to 161 and then make the turn. So where is the 127? Right there. It went up a little bit, then we posted a reversal candle, and red candle means it's making a turn. Maybe, maybe not. Time will tell. When the market opens up, we will see. If not, it will jump, and then it will go to this area, 161. Right? This is the second extension level. That's what happens usually. Then the move ends. Right? Another chart that I want to show you, that in Elliott wave, how the moves, the harmonic pattern within Elliott wave, cooking. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction, right? So this is where is a bearish butterfly pattern or a crab pattern happens, shows up, right? And at the end of the down move, it's a bullish butterfly or a crab pattern happens. And then both of these patterns have a specific calculation. They're not animals or anything, right? But they're like Fib calculation, right? Specific Fib calculation. So they, whoever gave it these names or whatever, right? So we call that, right? No problem. But these patterns are nothing, basically, it's Elliott wave, right? So, but a lot of people find it easy to understand in terms of these harmonic pattern names. So that's where it's the bearish on the top of the up move, bullish at the bottom of the down move, right? This happens. So we are facing this right now. And then this is, if it will make the turn, it will make it like this. And then it will come down, right? So this is Elliott wave. And Elliott wave, you can see this wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let me show you a Elliott wave version, that this is what happened in Elliott wave. So 1, 2, 3, side wave 4, wave 5. Right? Now, wave 5 usually is 0.618 of wave 3. This wave 3, wave 4, if wave, if this is 38%. Then, or, whatever. Sometimes it is 50%, right? Or 61 even, right? But the rule of alternation is, it calls for that if this is a zigzag, then this would be a flat. This means this wave 2 correction. If it is a zigzag, it's a sharp correction, then wave 4 will be a sideways flat correction. If wave 2 is a flat, sometimes that happens, that a flat shows up here in wave 2, then wave 4 is a sharp correction. Okay, now let me show you another version of the same thing here in Elliott wave term. If you look at it, then this is the chart of daily S&P 500, same chart, but it's on a daily regular chart. That was a Renko chart, but this is daily chart. Now you can see that big move to the upside happen. This is wave 3. Then it dropped, and it is a sharp, right? So that means the wave 1 and 2 had some kind of a flat, right? Then what happened? Then wave 5 started. And you can count easily that this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 5. I forgot to mark here the blue 5. So blue 5 is ending this black 5 move. Now, we already saw that this one, so wave 5 is 0.618 of wave 3. So where the heck? Okay, so that means that if you pull the Fib expansion tool from here to here to measure wave 5, you see that it is exactly at 0.618. Exactly. On the other hand, it is ending a butterfly pattern, right? It's all the way on the top. Here in Elliott wave count, it's beautiful wave count. And here the rule of alternation is showing up here as well, that you see wave 1 and then your A, B, C flat correction to wave 2. And that's why wave 4 has a sharp correction. right? So this sharp correction means that this is what happened in between wave 1 and 2 in the past. So this wave here is very similar to this one. Look at this. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How beautiful it is, right? Exactly. So this is where I think that unless something else happened, but studies are showing that this could be the end of the road coming soon, at least, right? Maybe here, maybe a few more pips to the upside, whatever, blah blah blah. So, but we are at the specific numbers, a specific calculation, according to the Elliott wave study and the harmonic pattern study, right? So we are exactly at the end of the road right now. So this is what's happening, and like I said, that based on these analysis, this is what happened. That I had trade like this. So these Renko candles, that this is these entry charts, right? 40-minute. This is a 20-minute. Look at this, and this allows me to. In fact, I have the EA Expert Advisor bot, which I made, and then it opens up the trades exactly when the setup is ready. And the setup has to have 4 conditions, and as soon as they are met, this EA opens the trade, even if I'm sleeping, whatever. But if I'm not home, whatever, the chart is open, the indicator, the EA is on, and boom, it opens the trade. So this one opened automatically. The EA opened it up, and from 49.81 to 50.19, it took it all the way. Went up much higher, but this is how it is. And this one, it was to the downside, this one to the upside, and then again, this one also opened by the EA. I removed the EA, but you can see the arrow here. So this buy order here, and as soon as this setup was there, this was a beautiful setup as well, but I missed it somehow. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, sometimes you miss. Missing is much better than losing, right? So this EA, as it's if the EMAs is aligned here, then you can't go wrong, because this only opens up when they are aligned, right? The EA will never open a short when the price is above this. So that's how it is. That's how I did a trade. Not only this one, it's Nasdaq is the same thing. I'll make a video on Nasdaq as well, but it's doing Nikkei as well. US 30, all of these they went up big time, and then I predicted them all February 10th that they're gonna go to the upside. Some already reached the target. Some still need to go to the target. Like for example, this one. If you look at the weekly, my weekly target is this. But like I said, that on a daily chart, Elliott wave count is almost done. But it's not that Elliott wave 5 must be ending here 0.618. It can go to 0.786 or even 1 to 1, right? So yeah, it can go to the upside to this area here, and then, but need to be very careful. Big move to the upside, and this somewhere here is going to end somewhere here. Where exactly, I don't know. The market will open up, and then we will see. But I will be waiting for my short setup. I will not short without the setup. Simple as that. Okay. So just wanted to share with you guys, and don't forget to sign up, subscribe my YouTube channel, so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them, so you can get these setups, right, and this valuable information here. So and if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, blah blah blah, then go to my website and sign up for one-on-one, and I'll make you master of all these. No problem whatsoever. All right. And I also have this Telegram group where I post all these things, like gold, for example. See, I posted here gold 400 brick size, making a long, and it did. And I took the trade, beautiful trade from here to here. And this is from the smaller 100 brick size as well, second entry from here to here. Right. So yeah, so this is also very helpful too for my subscribers. That I post them these charts and everything time to time. Heads up. Right. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.